Hi everyone, Sid here back again with another video. In this video we're going to discuss about built-in data type. Okay, so like every programming have on data type, so here we have going to discuss about built-in data type by default. So here we can store the value of using this kind of data type. So we have a string, we have integer, float, complex. Okay, so these are the text type, which is a string. We can store numeric with float, complex or integer, and sequence we can add like list, tuple, range. Also I will explain you every single data type with realistic example. So we have the sequence type, which is list, tuple, range, and mapping, which is a dictionary, and we have the set types, which is set and frozen sets. Okay, so here we can also use the boolean for the true or false something, we can get the result. And also we have the binary types, which is bytes, byte array, and memory view. So here you can check example how to declare the value. In a string we have the declare x is equal to hello world, so double quotes to single quotes we can write the our variable. Okay, so like this one. And also we have the string, basically this type of the string, and we have the integer something, so we put the particular numeric word, and here we numeric number something. Okay, so here float always started point something, suppose we have the 10.5 number something, you have 99.99% something, this is float. Okay, and complex we always written like 10j something. Okay, in every programming language. And here we have the list, which are the always written like square bracket. Apple, banana, cherry is written in square bracket. Okay, so tuple always started with the bracket. Okay, like this one we have. And circle bracket something, like we have same variable we have stored. I will explain you what is the difference between the tuple, list, range, dictionary, set. So I will explain you everything in detail. Suppose if you want to print something, you can get result something this one. And range if you want, so you can use range method. Okay, range type. And here we have the name, dictionary, set, and frozen set, and boolean, true, false something. So these are the basically data type. I will explain every data type in single video. Okay, so don't worry, these are the basic information about the data type. I will explain you everything in detail in next video. Thank you for watching this video.